Now the 22nd question is integral of secant square of 7 minus 4x times dx. So we know the integral of secant square as tan, but here you don't have x inside, rather you have 7 minus 4x inside the secant square. So you need to substitute 7 minus 4x as t, that implies differentiating on both sides 0 minus 4 into dx by dt is equal to 1. So this implies minus 4 times dx is equal to dt, or dx is equal to minus dt divided by 4. So dx can be replaced with minus dt by 4. Integral of secant square of 7 minus 4x can be written as t times dx is written as minus dt divided by 4. So what will we have? We'll have minus 1 by 4 times integral of secant square t dt, right? So it will be minus 1 by 4 times integral of secant square t is tan t plus c. So final answer would be minus 1 by 4 times tan of, in the place of t we can write it as 7 minus 4x plus c. So this would be the final answer, minus 1 by 4 times tan of 7 minus 4x plus c.